Hey everybody, it's Mr. Emerald 123 again, and today...
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Today is me and my sister's birthday, you know? Celebrating the day that our mama, you know, shot us out her cooch, so... yeah, you know, so maybe she's...
Well, you let my phone on the floor!
So, you know, so maybe she got an abortion, I don't know, so yeah. Hold on, we gotta wait. Alright, she's with me right here, my sister.
Get my phone up!
Wait for your phone. Hold on, you gotta wait for your phone. Hold on.
Eric.
Just wait, okay? As you can see, yeah, it's Marvel's Capcom Origins. Here we go, and Jordan's gonna play. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Options. Settings. This shit up. We'll just go normal. Normal looks better, doesn't it? Here we go. Here we go, okay, she's gonna play. Alright. Study mode or arcade? Okay. She can do arcade, here we go. Here we go. Now we can pick mode.
Pick my phone up, please.
Wait. 10 minutes. Oh yes. Selah. Oh yes, a triple girl team. Yep. Commando Zangief. Here we go.
Ready. Fight!
The Cyclops. Wrong way, but you still got him though. Come on, girl. There we go. Good job. Tony and Morgan win. Very nice. Nice. She's a succubus. What do you expect? Mega Man and a girl team again. Nice. Mega Man and Hulk.
Shut up, Evan. Ready. Fight!
Tag out, bro. Tag out. There you go. I forgot, but there you go. Oh shit.
Evan, give me a big head! Evan!
Don't blame me. Yeah. Ooh, damn. We'll try now.
No.
Hell no.